Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are all doing great, right? So today is a history in stock market of India. In fact, Sensex hit a lifetime high, record high, and we are winning or bulls are winning is what I want to say, right? So we'll talk about that. Not only Sensex, even Nifty is almost Nifty hit lifetime high and Bank Nifty almost hit lifetime high. Now we use a indicator called Fisher index, Fisher transform, and this indicator is a leading indicator. It is not a lagging indicator. It is a leading indicator. So what it does is when the market is going to reverse or when the market is going to go up, or based on that we take some trades and we will talk about what Fisher transform is saying about Nifty, Bank Nifty, or Fin Nifty, right? These three indices are the indices we trade mostly, or 90% of the viewers trade in these three indices, which is Nifty, Bank Nifty, and Fin Nifty. So we will see what Fisher Transform is predicting for tomorrow. Tomorrow is Bank Nifty expiry, Nifty expiry. Also, we have this June series. We have 5 week series. We have one more week left. We'll see how what Fisher Transform says and how markets are going to span out, and all this is happening. Let me tell you, we are bullish. I am bullish. Okay, I am bullish. We have taken a bullish position. Now, what in spite of global market, in spite of yesterday, Dow Jones went down, drifted more than 250 points. Nasdaq, S&P, all were down. In spite of all these things, we are going on the higher side. We are almost near lifetime high. Nifty is lifetime high. Bank Nifty is almost going to touch lifetime high. We'll talk about that in brief. We'll talk about what open interest is saying, what FIIs have done. And let me tell you about FIIs. FIIs have pumped so much of money. Last month alone, they have bought around 27,000 crores worth of cash provision market, in cash provision market. So it is purely because of FIIs, and we'll see. And these figures, 27,000 crores, last we have seen on maybe 2021 January or February, I believe. So FIIs are taking the market on the higher side. They don't want to bring the market on the downside. Even if there is any gap down or even there is any big gap down, it is going to be bought into. So this market is a buy on dip market. That is what I want to say. Will not delay. I'm not going to bore you. We will go and see what is happening in terms of data, FII data, open interest, so on and so forth. Now this is the indicator Fisher transform. So this is a very simple indicator. Now I'm just showing you the indicator. We use this with one more indicator which tells the direction of the market. At least 70 or 80% of the time it is accurate, but you cannot rely on indicators. Say I haven't talked about any indicators in our YouTube channel, but this time I'm showing some indicator. Means there is something up or which you might get a perspective about the market, right? So what this indicator is saying is that now Bank Nifty before touching, in fact it is at lifetime high, right? Today we closed at lifetime high, which is around 18,671, and lifetime high is around 18,887, right? 18,887, just 25 points away from lifetime high, which we will take tomorrow also. But once lifetime high is being hit, we might retrace or we might come down in terms of Nifty. I'm not talking about Bank Nifty. I'm not talking about Fin Nifty. I'm talking about Nifty. There might be a small retracement and there might be a very, very small retracement till 18,500. 18,500 is going to be a very, very strong support. You believe me or not, market is not going to come below 18,500. And there is a theory that which says that FIIs are dumping China and bringing in so much of money inside India, and that is why we are moving on the higher side. And let me tell you again, all this is happening in spite of US market or is on the downside. If you see Nasdaq, S&P down, Dow Jones, all three indices, major indices for the last 3 or 4 days was slightly down. In fact, day before yesterday it was closed. Yesterday it was down, and today also it is green. So in spite of US markets, mother market being in the red, we are moving on the higher side. Means you imagine what will happen if the market, US market, mother market is going on the higher side. We might go on the higher side, and that is what we expect tomorrow also. Tomorrow we will go on the higher side, but we will take lifetime high tomorrow. I'm sure, I'm 100% sure tomorrow we might take lifetime high, but after lifetime high, there might be a retracement. because this Fisher transform is on the overbought region for a very, very long time. And if you are looking this keenly, there is a divergence. Let me draw you a very negative divergence. Now, if you see here, this Fisher transform is going on the downside. It is making higher high and higher low. At the same time, price action is making higher high. So this is not good for Nifty, but that's why I'm saying we might retrace to 18,500 before again going crossing above 18,500. Now that this is in terms of Nifty, and the open interest is very, very, very evident. You can see huge number of puts being written from 18,800 all the way to 18,400. Now I know that this might change, and this India open interest is a lagging indicator. It might change minute on minute, but what I feel is that Nifty might expire between 18,700 to around 18,000, 18,000, not even 18,700, 18,800 to around 18,900 levels. So 18,700, 800 to 18,900 is where Nifty is going to expire tomorrow, is my expectation. So that is what we'll have to wait and see. And in terms of Bank Nifty is super volatile, super bullish, also super bullish. But what the indicator is saying is that in spite of, if you see the indicator Fisher transform, it has gone on the downside and market has not come on the downside, which means if Fisher indicator touches downside and moves on the higher side, Bank Nifty is going to take lifetime highs sooner or later. That is what it says. So Nifty, we might see a retracement, and Bank Nifty is ready to go on the higher side. Sooner or later, Bank Nifty may go on the higher side. So there is no way for Nifty and Bank Nifty to come on the downside. Even if Bank Nifty tries to come on the downside, 43,500 is a very, very strong support. And you saw what happened yesterday. Yesterday, in fact, Bank Nifty touched 43,300 and it closed above 43,500. And that is where people are writing huge number of put option, and that is evident in open interest. So you can go and write put option. What put option? Bank Nifty put option 43,500 you can write. People are writing, if you see here, 43,500 is having the highest open interest among put option. Now there is huge number of 44,000 call option being written, and that is expiry, tomorrow's expiry, because of tomorrow's expiry. So people believe that Bank Nifty will expire between 40. Bank Nifty is at around 43,880 levels. We might expire between 43,600 and 44,000. I don't think tomorrow 44,000 is not going to be taken out. And of course, that is wholly dependent on how the US markets are going to close. You can see here left, right and center, everybody is selling call option and put option because they believe that the market will open flat today and we are going to open flat tomorrow, is what I believe. So this is in terms of Nifty and Bank Nifty. FII data is not out yet. If it is out, I'm sure FIIs would have been net buyers and DIIs or vice versa would have happened. So this is what is happening, right? Either FIIs are buying or DIIs are buying, or DIIs are selling or FIIs are buying, right? So this is how the markets are looking like. I am bullish. Everybody is bullish, right? All this day I was bearish and people in our Telegram group are trolling me. Bear is also getting bullish. So we'll see. Even if it is bearish, we don't care, right? Because we are done for this month. Only another maybe 5 or 6 trading session we'll make up. We'll do something or other and we'll try to be in good profit, is what is my expectation. But still, fingers crossed, we really don't know what is going to happen. Anything can happen. Who knows? Putin can drop a nuclear bomb in Ukraine, right? Like it was happening before. And let us check the US market. US markets are almost flat. When our market was closing, US markets were flat, and now also it is almost flat. That's what I told. Even yesterday, it was down by more than 250 points. I'm talking about Dow Jones was down by more than 250 points. S&P, Nasdaq, everything was down and today morning also futures were down. Asia Pacific was down. In spite of all this sluggishness, all this bearishness, our markets are going on the higher side, means we are in a good bull mode, right? That is what you have to understand, right? So let's wind it up. Now, Nifty will expire. My expectation is that Nifty will expire between 18,600 to 18,800, and they might expire between 43,700, 800 to 44,000 is what is my expectation. We will see how things pan out. I'll see you in tomorrow's morning video. Till then, take care. Bye.